Hello and a very warm welcome. Thank you, Mamta, for joining in. And yesterday we read about two of these, attributes. Yeah, that was kindness and क्या था दूसरा बताओ? To be kind. What are the phases? The first phase was uh,
मुझे
let
भी
me
actually kindness ही
be
आता है।
creative. First phase
Creative.
was be creative. We talked about that, and then we talked about to be kind. Today, we are going to dive into the next two, that is love and beauty. Okay, let's
Wow.
quickly start. Love is my favorite वाला topic.
लव एंड ब्यूटी दोनों अच्छे हैं।
Huh?
लव एंड ब्यूटी दोनों ही अच्छे हैं।
Hmm. अरे मेरा वो कहाँ गया Canva? Just a moment. Okay, let me share the screen so that we can read it together. प्रणवी भी आज सो गई लगता. Pranavi is not. All right.
Ready?
Do you want to read? Okay, go ahead.
Yeah. Be love. Ponder these words thoughtfully. God is love, and he that dwells in love dwells in me, and I in him. That is God talking, so to speak. Keeping in mind the central theme of this chapter, and in fact, this entire book, that you must learn to be like the energy that allowed you to be in the first place. Then being in a state of love is absolutely necessary for you to reconnect to the intention. You are intended out of love. You must be loved in order to intend. Volumes have been written about love, and still we have as many definitions for this word as we have people to offer them. For the purposes of this chapter, I, I would like you to think about love in the following two ways. Love is cooperation rather than competition. What I would like to, what I would like you to be able to experience right here in physical form on planet Earth is the essence of the spiritual plane. If this were possible, it would mean that your very life is a manifestation of love. Were this to be true for you, you would you would see all of life living together in harmony and cooperating with each other. With sense that the power of intention that originates all life cooperates with all other life forms to ensure growth and survival. We note that we all share the same life force and the same invisible intelligence that beats my heart and your heart, beats the heart of everyone on the planet. Love is the force behind the will of God. I am not suggesting the kind of love that we define as affection or sentiment, nor is this kind of a love a feeling that seeks to please and press favors on others. Imagine a kind of love, sorry, im- imagine a kind of love that is the power of intention, the very energy that is the cause behind of all creation. It is spiritual vibration that carries divine intentions from formless to concrete expressions. It creates new form, changes matter, vivifies all the things, and holds the cosmos together beyond the time and space. It is in every one of us. It is what God is. I recommend that you pour your love into your immediate environment and hold to this practice on an hourly basis if possible. Remove all unloving thoughts from your mind and practice kindness in all of your thoughts, words, and actions. Cultivate this love in your immediate circle of acquaintances and family, and ultimately it will expand to your community and globally as well. Extend this love deliberately to those you feel have harmed you in any way or caused you to experience suffering. The more you can extend this love, the closer you come to being loved, and it's in the beingness of love that intention is reached and manifestation flourishes.
Wonderful. So, क्या समझे प्यारे?
क्या समझे? इसमें ऐसा है कि मैंने अंडरस्टैंड किया कि जो हम नॉर्मल लव की बात करते हैं, अफेक्शन एंड ऑल दैट, दिस author has not spoken about that. Whereas, according to me, एक होता है unconditional love, right? He must be talking about that. And herein, like, एक मेरे को आपका एक एग्जांपल याद आ रहा था बीच में रीड करते हुए. You said ना कि whenever we feel upset or something, we go out into the nature. एक different kind of happiness आपको मिलती है, आपको peace मिलता है. So I think वो nature का love है towards us. Right? And again, that is something into us only, and we have to develop in order to that we can spread it to others as well. And the second, I wanted to ask you, ki, the author was saying ki, in case if there is even the enemy is there.
So, the author is saying love is love. No matter who comes your way, what comes your way, when you love, it should be such a. So, first of all, we need to understand that love has the highest frequency of all the things. ठीक है? Do you see when you go to मंदिर और गुरुद्वारा, आपके आप अपने आप कुछ तो दिल में होना शुरू हो जाता है. When we talk about the topic, when we talk about what kind of creative energy, infinite intelligence it is, you already start feeling something so beautiful that there are times when you start blushing. There are times when you would start, sweating. There will be times when you will have goosebumps. What is all that? That energy is love. अगर आप ये एक, so for me, when I talk of love कि मेरा रोम रोम, that is every, जितने बाल है ना, एक एक बाल वाला पोर मेरा प्यार से भर जाए. कोई मेरे साथ से भी निकले तो उसको पलट के देखना पड़े, क्या एनर्जी थी. दैट इज व्हाट आई वर्क फॉर, एंड दैट इज व्हाट आई कॉल लव. मेरे मेरे पास कोई खड़ा ही नहीं, खड़ा होए तो हो ही नहीं सकता कि उसको बिना प्यार फील हुए वो चला जाए. दैट इज ओनली पॉसिबल थ्रू द ग्रेस ऑफ गॉड. एंड इफ यू carry that energy within you, it is only possible then.
Actually, we can correlate this energy, with a little child, little baby. When the baby comes in home, तो उसका आप पूरे दिन के थके आते हो, आप अपने बच्चों को देखते हो तो यू बिकम हैप्पी. आप सब कुछ भूल जाते हो. व्हाई? बिकॉज ऑफ देयर एनर्जी एंड द इन्फिनिट लव they pour on us also. So I think everyone has to be.
बच्चे इतने प्योर होते हैं, मम्मी मार भी देती है ना तो भी रोते हुए मम्मी को ही चिपकते हैं कि मैं सॉरी गलती हो गई, दिस एंड दैट. दे डू ऑल दिस. हाउ कम दे हैव सो मच ऑफ लव फॉर देयर मदर, whereas mother might not have that love but the child has that love. क्योंकि मम्मी को तो गुस्सा आ सकता है, and love says love is love.
Even as a mother also, अगर हम डांट भी देते हैं, एंड उसके बाद जब बच्चा सो जाता है, उसके बाद व्हाट काइंड ऑफ फीलिंग वी गेट इनटू अस.
हमको तो ये लगता है ना, हम there will be times when you will sit and cry, हाय मैंने अपने बच्चे को मार दिया, this and that. But what we need to understand is, I think love is always constant. Love does not go ऊपर नीचे. हमारी ब्रीथिंग फ्री है क्या? हमारे
हमारी
ऑक्सीजन मिलना बंद हो रहा है क्या?
नहीं, मदर.
That is love from nature that we get every single day.
एंड यू नो व्हाट, लाइक आवर पेरेंट्स. आई थिंक पेरेंट्स एक ऐसे यू कैन से रिलेशन है जहाँ से हम एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं अनकंडीशनल लव, विदाउट एनी एक्सपेक्टेशन. राइट? सो द वे वी see our parents who are giving us unconditional love. Likewise, that supreme power is there for each one of us.
You cannot raise kids as if.
Hmm.
Why some people say they cannot raise kids? Oh my God, 3 बच्चे कैसे पाले करिश्मा? नहीं पता नहीं पाले यार। 3 बच्चे है प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुई? अरे नहीं हुई, एक्चुअल में नहीं हुई। आई डिडंट इवन रियलाइज दैट माय किड्स हैव ग्रोन बिगर। अभी भी मैं देखती हूँ भाई राम,
Hmm.
मेरे ही बच्चे हैं भाई। भगवान ने तो बड़ी दया रखी मेरे पे। Why is it possible?
See,
Only when you operate from love and you
and,
stay in the connection with that source. Without that
hmm,
source, if you are not connected with that source, it is absolutely impossible for you to operate with peace, with love, with grace, and whatever beautiful qualities you see in other
and
people.
he knew now that you can handle it very well. That's why you have been blessed with people. कहते वो एक वो है ना सोच दीपक, उनकी मैंने वीडियो देखी थी, इट वाज वेरी गुड कि लाइक क्या होता है कि बच्चे पेरेंट्स आते हैं बाहर से एंड लाइक द मदर इज कैरिंग टू हैवी बैग्स, वन इज क्वाइट हैवी एंड द अदर वन इज लिटिल वन, तो जो कम हैवी है वो छोटे बच्चे को दे दिया, जो ज्यादा हैवी है वो बड़े बच्चे को दे दिया। व्हाई? बस शी नो कि कौन कितना हैवी चीज को उठा सकता
Carry कर
है।
सकते।
दैट, हाँ, very good. That according to
All
that
the
we
mothers
have
take
been
care of
given
that. Yes.
we have been given the responsibilities
So
accordingly.
somebody comes and tells me ना कि मेरी तो इतनी बड़ी बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है, I have 2 questions only to ask them. In fact, 2 things that I can share with them. First is, has everybody around you put their problems on the table? Will you pick up somebody else's problem? Most of the people say no. Why? क्योंकि अपनी प्रॉब्लम को तो झेलना आ गया है, किसी और की लेंगे तो फिर बेस से वापस स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा। कैसे संभालेंगे, कैसे होगा, क्या होगा, whether I will be
Hmm.
able to you know manage it or not, पता नहीं। तो फिर मैं ये बोलती हूँ, सेकंड क्वेश्चन कम्स, डू यू नो यू हैड द कैपेबिलिटी टू झेलो दिस प्रॉब्लम, दैट इज व्हाई यू हैव बीन गिवन दिस प्रॉब्लम। अदरवाइज क्यों देते ना।
And the moment you learn about your problem and you start working on it, it is no longer a problem for you.
प्रॉब्लम होती ही नहीं है।
Be creative
we make it a problem। we are so foolish beings, I would say on that note, कि हम लोग
because
अपने दिमाग में खिचड़ी बना बना के, लाइफ इज वेरी सिंपल, वेरी सिंपल। बट हमारे दिमाग में पता नहीं क्या क्या है भरा हुआ, कंपटीशन, अच्छा बुरा, सुंदर अगली, ब्ला 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 ब्ला, ऑल द ऑपोजिट वर्ड्स वी टीच आवर किड्स इन द स्कूल, हमारे दिमाग में बैठे हुए हैं। अभी हमारे को तो अच्छे वाला ही होना है, ऑपोजिट गंदे वाला नहीं होना। और हम लगे रहते हैं, घिसते रहते हैं, अपना घिसते रहते हैं। बट टू बी ऑनेस्ट, भगवान ने सबको ही सुंदर बनाया है, सबको ही बहुत अच्छा बनाया है। एंड एवरीबडी हैज अ रोल टू प्ले। ये तो भूल ही जाते हैं। अब मुझे बताओ, मूवी अगर हम देखें और मूवी में सब कुछ अच्छा ही अच्छा होता रहे तो हमारे को मजा आएगा? कुछ ट्विस्ट एंड
actually
टर्न्स।
everyone wants easy peasy life, you know. That's why
यस।
one of my clients she came to me, I have an issue that she's very pretty, you know. But उसको छोटे से criticism मिला because of the teeth, bigger teeth. I said, that I have given, I was able to convince her and I was able to give her so much confidence. You are pretty the way you are. And now, in case of sleep issues anywhere, she is giving her full smile, confident smile. And literally, she looks very pretty. For me, each and every picture is beautiful, you know.
मेरी मम्मी
It's
मेरी
all about art, what person.
माय मॉम वुड ऑलवेज स्माइल लाइक, आई एम लाइक व्हाई डू यू स्माइल लाइक दिस, ऐसे करके हंसो ना पूरा खुल के। देख, मेरे ना दांत ऊंचे ने, मैं वो ऊंचे है तो क्या करूं? इट्स ओके, ऊंचे है तो ऊंचे, इट्स ओके। And now she has become very comfortable. हाँ ठीक है ना यार, जो करना है कर लो.
I tell you, Karisma, I never knew it. Hmm? And I got an inspiration from her. She does a lot of traveling for her. But whenever she comes in the morning, she's always having a smile on her face. And she never fails. She had to a problem or a problem. I don't know how much of her life to discuss with them. They are very normal time. तेरी टेंशन लेके हो भी क्या जाएगा एंड ऐसे इंसान के लिए आपके मन की भी हमेशा ब्लेसिंग भी निकलती है एंड उसको देख के मुझे याद आता है कृष्ण जी दैट लॉर्ड कृष्णा की लाइफ में इतनी स्ट्रगल रहा इतने चैलेंजेस रहे स्टिल ही वाज मेंटेनिंग a cute smile on his face. So I can correlate, her with Lord Krishna. That she's also facing a lot of trouble each and every day. But still, when she comes in the morning, she's always having a smiling face. तो मुझे ऐसे कई बार लगता है कि यार मुझे ना इससे सीखना चाहिए जो मैं भूल जाती हूँ तो मुझे इससे सीखना चाहिए
Absolutely. Anybody can be our teacher, Anybody can teach us whatever. Well, let's go ahead and बात करते हैं beauty की. Be beauty. Emily Dickinson wrote, "Beauty is not caused." अरे बाप रे, इसमें इतना अच्छा ब्यूटीफुल ये बताया था. God is love and love is God. Do you know that? Did you know that? Have you ever read that? In Bible, it is said, God is love and love is God. He dwelleth in love, dwelleth in me. And this is so beautiful. I love this sentence, And he that dwelleth in love, dwelleth in me, and I in him. So, love, me, and him are one.
love me and him
He that dwells in love, dwelleth in me. मेरे अंदर था. And I in him. मेरे अंदर प्यार, मैं उसके अंदर. हाँ, हनुमान जी के अंदर उनकी छाती फाड़ के उसके अंदर राम एंड सीता दिखते हैं.
Hmm.
It is all inside of us. We just need to realize it.
And the more
We
we work on ourselves ना तो वही कह रहे हैं ना कि आप जैसे जैसे अपने ऊपर होमवर्क करते हो वो एक जो लिटिल वॉइस होती है आपके अंदर यू विल बी एबल टू हियर दैट
मैं तो ये कहती हूँ, just start saying only this thing, that I operate from the space of love. कोई दुनिया में आपको जो भी कोई कुछ बोल दे, कोई कोई गलती भी कर दे, just keep telling yourself, I operate from the space of love. जो हो गया कोई बात नहीं. उसकी समझ उतने तक थी, उन्होंने कर दिया. Let it.
बट समटाइम्स आई फील लाइक कि जब हम किसी और को बोलते हैं ना मतलब सी 80% ओके आई आई एम एग्री विद
लोग
दिस
ना
बट
फायदा उठाते हैं. You will say that. लोग सोचते हैं मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रही, मैं बेवकूफ हूँ. डोरमैट भी बना सकते हैं लोग. What more? What more can they do? Tell me. If you say, if you believe that you are child of the God, can you surrender all of it to him? No. Why?
to him means we are talking about the God.
To God. Yes.
Yeah, definitely.
So what I believe in is, and one of my mentors also very beautifully had put this, कि भगवान जी मैं तो सबको प्यार देने वाली हूँ. I will love, I will love, I will love, but take care of the people who are hurting me. I'm not going to hurt them back, but it is your responsibility. You take care of all that.
This is I have experienced also.
And to be honest, I have seen people coming back to me and apologizing for what they did.
This I have experienced also.
You need not do anything, just have full faith and surrenderance in that universal power.
And I learned one thing that try not to react immediately. Take a pause. You will take a wiser decision. Hmm.
पॉज हमारे को रोक देगा, दिल को कौन रोकेगा? Even a thought is also creating a karma. Do you know that?
Yes. Mm. It's a good thing sitting over here.
Every
Counting everything.
every thought, every imagination, every sentence, everything. हमारे हाथ में इतना सब कुछ नहीं है, बट यस, कंट्रोलिंग जहां पर बात आती है, थॉट्स कैन बी कंट्रोल. वी कैन मैनिपुलेट आवर थॉट्स बिकॉज वो दिमाग की उपज है.
That's why I started that motivational hours, so that I should feed right thing into the mind right in the morning.
आपने देखा है कि आप जब भी वो वाले सीरियल्स देते हो, सास बहू वाले, और सास और बहू लड़ती रह रही है, लड़ती रही, जो
I don't
पुराने
know.
डेज में लोग देखते थे, एंड यू वुड सी दैट द सेम स्टोरी वुड रिपीट इन देयर होम्स.
Absolutely.
आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर, ये एक सीरियल आया था अनुपमा का.
Correct,
My
correct.
kids started hating that serial. Why? Because their mom was becoming Anupama. Why? For everything, I started, telling my husband, "Da, da, 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 da." मुझे ये करना था, मुझे करना था, and my kids used to feel, हाय राम, इनका कीड़ा कुछ बनने का फिर जाग गया. And now she does not know how to, channelize her emotions, and now she will start with Papa.
तो फिर environment में करती
And then at last we banned Anupama in our home. अनुपमा नहीं लगाना, जो मर्जी हो जाए. इनफैक्ट टू बी ऑनेस्ट, आई गॉट इनटू द सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट जर्नी, एंड उसके बाद मेरे पास टाइम ही नहीं बचा उसको देखने का, बेचारी को, कि क्या हुआ उसके
That's
साथ.
why I have indulged in so many things so that I don't take time to watch it. So probably about the
And the best and the most beautiful thing that I have learned on this journey and from my spiritual master is that love, only be love. It will solve everything in your life. You will not have to beg anybody anything. You will not feel like a beggar. In fact, I would say, yeah, earlier I used to feel that मेरे को कोई पैसे मांगने पड़ते, तो am I a भिखारी, मैं क्यों मांगू पैसे? And ever since I have started practicing love, बाय चांस की बात है कि मुझे ना तो पैसे मांगने पड़े, एंड अगर मांगने भी पड़ते तो आई नेवर फील स्मॉल अबाउट इट. I feel this, I deserve it. It's okay. When I am a child of abundant God, who is there to stop me from asking? Why should I stop? I own it. चलो ब्यूटी पे चलते हैं, सुंदरता पे. Emily Dickinson wrote, "Beauty is not caused, it is." As you awaken to your divine nature, you will begin to appreciate beauty in everything you see, touch, and experience. Beauty and truth are synonyms, as you read earlier in Jack Keats' famous observation in Ode on the Grecian Urn, beauty is truth, truth, beauty. This means, of course, that the creative spirit brings things into the world of boundaries to thrive and flourish and expand. And it wouldn't do so were it not infatuated with the beauty of every manifested creature, including you. Thus, to come back into conscious contact with your source so as to regain the power of your source is to look for and experience beauty in all of your undertakings. Life, truth, beauty. These are all symbols for the same thing, an aspect of God's force. When you lose this awareness, you lose the possibility to connect to intention. You were brought into this world from that which perceived you as an expression of beauty. It couldn't have done so if it thought you to be otherwise. For it, for if it has the power to create, it also possesses the power not to do so. The choice to do so is predicated on the supposition that you are an expression of loving beauty. This is true for everything and everyone that emanates that power of intention. This is so beautiful, so beautiful. वैसे to be honest, अगर कोई पेंटर पेंटिंग बनाता है, कोई गंदी बनाता है, उनकी नजर में वो बहुत अच्छी पेंटिंग होती है। दुनिया जो मर्जी सोचे, अगर एक पेंटर हमेशा अच्छी ही पेंटिंग बनाता है, तो हाउ कैन द क्रिएटर क्रिएट समथिंग स्टूपिड, समथिंग नॉट सो ब्यूटीफुल?
Just like, small child, if we do any kind of drawing, you always appreciate, बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Here's a favorite story of mine that illustrates appreciating beauty where once you didn't. It was told by Swami Chidvilasananda, better known as Guru Mai, in her beautiful book Kindle My Heart. There was a man who did not like his in laws because he felt they took up more space in the house than they should. He went to a teacher who lived nearby and he had heard a lot about him, and he said, "Please do something. I cannot bear my in laws anymore. I love my wife, but my in laws never. They take so much space in my house. Somehow I feel they are always in my way." The teacher asked him, "Do you have some chickens?" "Yes, I do," he said. "Then put all the chickens inside the house." He did that. He did what the teacher said and then went back to him. The teacher asked, "For problem solved?" He said, "No, it's worse. Do you have any sheep?" "Yes." "Bring all the sheep inside." He did so and returned to the teacher. "Problem solved?" "No, it's getting worse." Do you have a dog?" "Yes, I have several." "Take all those dogs into the house." Finally, the man ran back to the teacher and said, "I came to you for help, but you are making my life worse than ever." The teacher said to him, "Now send all the chickens, sheep, and dogs back outside." The man went home and emptied the house of all the animals. There was so much space. He went back to the teacher. Thank you, he said. "You have solved all my problems."
Thank you, God.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Uh, and as far as the beauty is concerned, I feel when we have seen many of the people who are very much connected to the divine father, and
आपको
we,
माइक थोड़ा सा पास
what,
में कर लो. I cannot hear you properly.
okay, is it okay now?
बोलो.
Is it okay? I'm saying to the, I have seen many of the people when we connected to the spiritual, to the spiritual power more, they don't even feel like to kill even a single ant. They try to hold करके बाहर छोड़ दो पर मारना नहीं. It was so easy to do.
मैं भी उनमें से हूँ. I will keep on saying, मच्छर आ जाएगा ना उसको.
Even I feel like to do कुछ होता है, but
See, the thing is that there
few
are
people are
things
very
we cannot
daring.
avoid. While walking on the road, you cannot keep on checking because there are so many so small things as well.
Yes.
But when
Mm.
you have only one or two inside, just in case you get it somewhere or in the kitchen slab or somewhere, you can just थोड़ा सा हल्का सा इधर उधर कर दो ना. चाहे जा तू इधर उधर जा, मेरे खाने में मत आना बस.
I think this recall one incident. There was one last year के वाले पर there was a lizard, उसका ना किसी से कुछ कट गई थी and she was just ऐसे बोल रही थी and मुझे ऐसे लग रहा था कि she will be like डाइंग सून। और मुझे ऐसे और था कि यार अभी सेलेक्ट हुई इसको, कैसे इसको मैं जल्दी पास आउट होने के लिए कुछ करूँ। आई टुक सम गंगा जल तो बहुत कि मैंने ब्लेसिंग मांगी कि कोई बेस्ट से इसको फटाफट फ्री हो जाए। आई डोंट नो, वो
थोड़ी
स्टडी
देर
टाइम
पहले
था
भी
तो।
सॉ बटरफ्लाई ऑन द रोड, एंड
That
इट
part is
वाज ब्यूटीफुल बटरफ्लाई। तो मैंने अपने डॉटर और मैं उसको ऐसे करके देख रही, मैंने कहा शायद जिंदा हो, लेट मी ट्राई विद द लीफ, कि वो थोड़ा सा अगर उसको शायद ऐसे करके करे तो वो उठ जाए, बट इट वाज नॉट देयर। एंड देन व्हाट माय डॉटर डिड, मम्मी वो मर गई है, लेट मी पिक इट अप एंड पुट इट इन द गमला, सो दैट वो थोड़ा सा उसको उसके ऊपर लोग ना स्टेप करके जाए, एटलीस्ट वो मरे तो शांति से। हम लाइक हाँ चल वहां पे रख देते हैं, इट्स ओके। एंड nature is beautiful, and we have to work on ourselves to find that beauty in nature, in animals, in people. मेरे ख्याल से पीपल में सबसे लास्ट में आती है। वी आर वेरी वेरी गुड एट एडमायरिंग द ब्यूटी, द ओशंस, द रिवर्स, द माउंटेन्स, द ट्रीज, बट लोगों को जब हमको देखने की बारी आती है, वी हैव सम फिल्टर जिसमें हमारे को लोगों की सिर्फ बुराई ही दिखती है। How beautiful would it be if we get into the energy of looking only the good in other people? That's it. Anything else that you want to share, or we will wrap up the session? I love the story. I'm going to, tell this story to my husband tonight.
it was actually good. So how was your day otherwise?
Huh?
How was your day otherwise?
How is my what?
Day.
Today?
Mm.
It was good.
It was fabulous. And generally,
Acha, let me close the session. Take care of yourself, sleep well, and God bless you, mother. God bless.
okay, bye.